Okay. I'm here with who?
Eloise.
Eloise.
Yeah,
Wow, it's a nice name.
thank
Where are
you.
from?
I'm from England,
England. Which part?
Norwich. It's 3 hours east of London. It's like countryside.
Okay. So what is it like to date, or what is it like being in Thailand versus being in England?
It's a lot better. It's a lot hotter. It's a lot less wet as well. Yeah,
less what?
overall, it's a lot less wet.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a lot more sunny, to be honest with you. It's just better. Why would you want to be in England when you can be in Thailand?
That's a
It's
good
just so
question.
good.
All right. And what has it been like dating in England?
I don't really date in England. Yeah. Free bird. One with the wind. I don't really date in Thailand either.
Oh, but have you met anybody in Thailand? You know, maybe not dating, but have you met somebody that like you actually interested in? Maybe.
Not really. One with the wind. Free bird.
I
You know what I
think.
mean?
Yeah. Okay. So, what do you actually look for in a man?
If he, that's a good question. I don't know what I look for in a man. If he has a job. Yeah. If he makes a living.
Does he have to be basically responsible for his own finances?
Yeah. But we all have to be.
True.
I'm my own rich man.
True.
You know?
True. And what about when you were in Australia then? How is it? Did you date in Australia?
Not really either. No.
So you like being single?
Yeah.
Okay.
Free bird.
Free bird.
One with the wind.
All
It
right.
has to be done.
So
Yeah.
what is it? What do you like the best about being single?
Just the freedom. Not having to worry about anyone else. Not having to worry about something. It's the best thing.
What has stressed you out the most about me?
Where do I begin? No, you can't ask me this. Yeah.
Okay. What do you like the best about men?
When they have mustaches. Yeah.
Yeah.
When they, yeah.
What
I
about?
was. I mean, what do I like best about men? I don't know.
What about their qualities? What are the best qualities that attracts you the most in men?
I don't know. Cut the cameras.